Hi, I'm Damien O'Donovan Jr. from O'Donovan Engineering, and this is the introduction to the TrueTest EZI 7i pack. This is the inspection of the EZI 7i when it returns from the customer after a rental. Firstly, visually check the case for any signs of damage, cracks. Next, check that there's no damage to the keyboard overlay. This will be visual with a scratch or a dent. Visually check the caps are all present. Remove the caps. And inspect the ports for damage. Check the pins are all present. Make sure there's nothing damaged or bent inside. Replace the caps. There's no need to over tighten these. Power on your indicator. Check the screen for dark patches. Ensure that both screens are showing information. This is your battery indicator. This indicator is empty and requires a full charge. These three lines are present to show that no load bar has been connected. On your lower screen you should see VID, which is visual identification. To check the time and date, press menu, cycle to setups, cycle down till you see your date, and next one will be your time. Here you can also check if your auto zero should be turned on, your auto power down, your auto recording, and you should be set to Super Damp 3 cattle. So how to start a new weighing session. A new weighing session should be started every time that you begin to weigh animals. Press menu, press down twice until you see sessions, press enter, start new, and this has started. Escape until you see VID. This is the recommended procedure for the storage and transportation of the load bars while they're on the platform. We wrap the cable from foot to foot as tightly as possible. This allows for easy inspection of the cables and the connector. When load bars have been returned from rental, it is important to check the cable, that there is no damage, ensure the cap is present, remove the cap, inspect for damage or moisture inside. Do not spray anything into the connector. If there is moisture present, dry it with hot air or compressed air. Check the cable on the full length for any signs of pinching or damage. Pay special attention to the last 2 meters, as this is where the animal could stand on the cable, all the ways to the entry point of the load bar. Next, check that your feet are undamaged, that they are straight and tight to the load bar. Check the load bars for weighing accuracy without the use of specialized testing equipment. Remove the cap from the load bar. Place it in an indicator. Indicator should show 0 and should not be fluctuating. Next, I use a 5 kg Avery test weight. I place this onto one load foot at a time. The indicator should show the weight. Repeat the test for the other foot. This shows that both sides of the strain gauge are working correctly. When the platform has been returned from rental, it's important to check that it has been cleaned and disinfected. At this time, Also check for any visual signs of damage to the sides or along the seams. If you have any questions about your True Test equipment, please do not hesitate to contact me, Damien O'Donovan Jr. at O'Donovan Engineering.